We're talking central nervous system, because if I'm overstimulated, nothing works the way it's supposed to. And trust me, I've learned the hard way that just push through it is not the secret to success. Val at Stretch Zone works with assisted stretching in a way that is nervous system focused and not just muscle based. How does stretching connect specifically to the central nervous system?
This is a great question. Our number one job here is, when you told you the 4 jobs, is to relax. And so that's why we focus on the breath, because the breath has the parasympathetic nervous system. That's your fight or flight. And so if we're always on the go, 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 we're always in one of those modes. And so here we help re-educate the neuromuscular system to be okay with stretching again. And so that actually aids in all systems. And so the breath helps relax. And so that's why the number one thing, we'll focus on the breath so that the body can fully relax. Because otherwise, yes, you're getting that pushback, and that just makes muscle tension or muscle tonus more intense.
Stretching at home, how does that play a role in your central nervous system maintenance long term?
Yes. So again, that fight or flight, if you're constantly kind of challenging or resetting the system, it's going to be more resilient in resetting in the future. So the more that you do stretch, you'll be able to have those cat-like reflexes when something does come up, or that ability to switch on and off more quickly or with more ease. So it is a muscle memory, type of situation as well.
How would central nervous system regulation through assisted stretching help people who feel overstimulated, like with ADHD and anxiety, or even people on a weight loss journey? How would that be pivotal for them?
Oh, this is a great question. I actually have a gentleman that is neurodivergent, and we talk about it a lot. And so it actually helps you focus, you're able to be more centered. And like I said, some of those reactions that we have, I have confidence that you would be able to handle those situations more with ease. And again, it's the regulation of that system. It's getting the mind and the body to talk and be on the same wavelength. And when it's like that and you're chaotic, it's harder to make those decisions. With the stretching, all those things just come a little bit more effortlessly. And then of course, weight loss journey, the same way. You're able to move a little bit more with freedom in those types of movements, so that you get to challenge more muscles. And as we know, muscle burns fat. So the more muscle that we have will kind of help and aid in that as well. So it is a full body-mind connection.
In my neurodivergent journey, I have learned that the second I get overstimulated, I immediately disconnect my mind and body. Being able to have techniques from the skills that you're building here is going to be huge. And thinking about weight loss specifically on my weight loss journey, making the whole journey holistic is how it's been sustainable. I have tried to lose weight my entire life and have just kind of gone up and down and back and forth, and I've realized that it's such a mind-body connection. Yep. Being able to make it sustainable and keep it off involves locking in to the mental aspects as well as the physical. So I love that. I love this aspect of the central nervous system. It's so cool how everything works together.
The body is amazing.
Thank you so much for answering our questions.